Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of a driving video. Basically, we're just going to drive over this bridge and then a little bit into Taipa. Just kind of show you what it looks like. And there's the sign to Taipa. Barra is on the Macau side. We're going to merge into this traffic right here as well. And we kind of have a little bit of a sunset, and we have like kind of a sports car that I think I might be able to get behind a little bit here. Yeah, there we go. Nice car. Then you can see the bridge. It's kind of a red, a little bit of a tinge red, and there's also a tinge over there as well. There. Okay. Feels like a sunset evening. So we're gonna merge into the traffic, and then it's too bad that these two white pillars, at nighttime they'll also be colors. So I think I can see a red theme from below. So those would probably be red a little bit later, but it must be just early enough that it's not on yet. And we're going to be driving into Taipa. Taipa and Macau are both Macau, but we differentiated one side by calling it the Macau side, and then this one over here is called we call it Taipa, going to Taipa. So we're going into Taipa now. Koloan is the island at the most southern part of Macau. It's straight ahead as well. Like, gotta drive through Taipa. Little mountain, you can see a couple mountains right there. There's some trails on both of those. But the buildings in front of us is Ocean Gardens, but the ones to the right, that's part of Zhuhai. Over there. Not too far from over there is Baishan Village, which I filmed not too long ago. Straight ahead is Ocean Gardens. Those are apartments. So yeah, this is the there's 5 bridges in Macau. This is the closest one to the mainland China side. So if I pointed a camera to the right, then you would just see China and a bridge that's in China. But then the bridges over there would all be on the Macau side. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 plus the one to Hong Kong, which would be number 5. And one of them, this one, follows this side of the island, and one of them is just for taxis and buses only, and that goes right into the casinos on the Macau side. And then there's another one that goes all the way up, almost up to the border, which is bridge number 3. Okay, so now we're coming under, to the right is a train station for Ocean Gardens. Goes to Barra, goes over the bridge by going underneath it. And now we're basically in Taipa. And we are going to keep the camera going. Go into Taipa a little bit. Show you that. That's the station right there. And it says Taipa Centro, so we're going to be going into Taipa Centro. Okay. If we were to continue going straight, there's Koloan and University of Macau. There's also all the Cotai Strip casinos. But we are going to be going this way. Lots of roundabouts in Macau, so we're entering into one already. That little tunnel goes to Ocean Gardens. This hill to the side goes up into there's hiking trails, so you overlook Taipa. And then this one, the train is directly to the right. And then the left is this, I don't know the story of this building, but it's like one giant massive building that just kind of goes on and on. I haven't filmed this in quite a while, that building. Okay, so now we're entering into Taipa. And there's a few different directions we can go when we get in here. Taipa Centro is just kind of the downtown, so you see lots of tall buildings. And I'm not really planning to drive around in it too much. So I'm just going to go down one of these and kind of go by Taipa Central Park and such. But anyways, you're gonna get a taste of this particular way anyways. Pedestrians have the right of way. And this is just a side, this is just a periphery of the Taipa Centro. You can see more of it over that way to the right. But we're gonna keep going down this way. And Nova Mall is right there. So that's a shopping mall with apartments that people can live up above the mall. And I guess they can enter right into the ground floor, I guess. I don't know where I think they could, I'm not sure if they can go in and out of the mall freely during non-hours or not. Okay. But yeah, there's an IKEA, there's more tall buildings here. That's the mall to the left. But anyways, the goal of this one is just to kind of give you an idea of Taipa and just some of the roads. So now you got to see the bridge over it, and then you also got to see some of these tall buildings in this Taipa area. We're going to be turning off the camera in just a tiny little bit. Somebody with a kid will slow down. Teeter Hotel, straight ahead. More people walking. We'll let them go. They've got a cleaning service there. Okay. Let's see if we might be able to go after this kid. There we go. Okay, so now you got a little slice of Taipa there for you. And we are going to try to get into this lane, which we did successfully. And so that's a little slice of Taipa there for you. And then if we were to go around, we could just go right back to the bridge again, or if we kept going straight, we could catch a middle bridge, but that one is for taxis and buses, so we really can't take that. Okay, there's Regency Art Hotel. There's that mountain where people can hike and such like that. So anyways, another slice of Macau for you. Hope you like that one as well. Taipa.